A tree that stands alone in a field is stronger than a tree that stands in a forest, because the solitary tree has to develop deeper roots to support itself. When life's hard winds blow, for all of those who want to give up, don't give up now. You are closer than you think. You have to fight alone, and this is how you become stronger every day. You are alone, and that's a fact. Fight for your dreams, for your life, and for who you aspire to be. Learn, grow, share, and meet people, but always push yourself. The most powerful wolf is the lone wolf, the rejected one. I'm not a wolf in sheep's clothing. I'm a wolf in wolf's clothing. I'm just fighting my fights. Nobody needed. No one walks in the way. No explanation needed. I walk a lonely road, the only road that I have ever known where it goes. But it's home to me, and I walk alone. Because of the struggle, I have character that most will never know. Where I walk alone. Where I fight alone. I am a leader, not a follower. I am strong alone. The strongest of souls are seared with pain and in scars. My destination to the sun and beyond, no deviation. I came alone. I will die alone. I am alone, but I am strong. Loneliness taught me real life. Pain makes me stronger. Loneliness is not my weakness, it's my strength. Now I can control my emotions, angerness, feelings. Loneliness is my best friend. When you believe in you, no mountain is too tall. When you believe in you, no problem is too big. When you believe in you, there is no obstacle you can't overcome. When you believe in you, the can't is replaced with can. When you believe in you, there is nothing you can't achieve. And when you believe in you, you are only limited by the vision you dare to dream. I am proud of who I am, who I've become. I am proud I stayed true to myself, because now I can live as myself with respect from others, and most importantly, pride and respect for myself.